Problem of forest fires followed by mudslides is not something new in Los Angeles. Here we see one of the cases that took place in the mid-1990s.
Torrential rains beat down on the hills of Southern California, and each drop spells disaster. Brush fires this summer stripped the mountainsides of vegetation, and there is nothing to hold the runoff of water. First, there's a trickle running down Country Club Drive in the residential canyon area of Los Angeles. A trickle that soon swells to a torrent as the water follows the road that was once the bed of a stream. In the wake of the water comes the mud, loosened from denuded hillsides. There is nothing to do but flee in the face of disaster. Tons of mud flow down into the area, triggered by a rainfall that totaled more than 1.5 inches in 36 hours. While most of the nation suffers drought conditions without precedent, in Los Angeles the story is too much rain too soon. The burned-out hills had been reseeded, but the growth had not progressed enough to prevent the flooding and slides. Most residents were able to flee to safety, but some were caught in their homes, and one woman was swept to her death. In Northern California, there have been record snowfalls. In the south, heavy rains. Nowhere else in the nation has there been enough precipitation. Never has Mother Nature been so unpredictable.